Welcome back to Going Ballistic, everybody. We are back out on the shooting range. We got something really sciencey for you guys today. No, we're not going to start wearing white coats or anything around here, but we definitely want to try something a little sciencey today. So I was watching some videos. I was kind of surprised that household items such as these here, this is powdered sugar, flour, and instant coffee, is flammable. Now, watch some of these videos. They show you that they're not flammable when they're compact like they are because there's not enough air in between the particles and stuff, so it won't light it off. But if it's in a dust cloud form, it actually can light these off. You know, they were sprinkling stuff over a lighter and it was actually lighting on all three of these products. So we're going to try it on a larger scale. What we got is we got these 12 gauge double-aught buck shotgun shells here, and we are going to shoot each of these items. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up these road flares, probably have two on each side and try to have one up high. And we just want to see if the clouds will actually ignite on a bigger scale. You know us, go big or go home. So we like to try different things on this channel. This is what we got for you guys. Remember, safety first, eye pro, ear pro, blast shields if you need them. We got fire extinguishers in case we catch any of this dry grass on fire. Well, while we're getting set up, you guys go buy one of our t-shirts. They're only 10 bucks, and hit that subscribe button. Help us hit that 200,000 mark. Here we go.
The flares look so dainty and cute. It's like a birthday party. All right, so I know Chris said that we were going to do a buckshot, but I was like, no way. I think the slugs will cause more of a plume, if you will, more atomization. So I got a solid lead 1 ounce slug. Let's give her a go.
Ready.
Hopefully it ignites. Well, hopefully I can hit it too. I didn't do crap. Dang it.
Well, I don't think it atomized enough. I was hoping the bag would like blow up and bigger cloud. I don't know. Let's try this.
Try blowing it out of your hand.
Nope. I don't know. Maybe the road flares won't set it off. Hey, the high speed looked good. No matter what, this is a good test, whether it works or not. Whoa, don't nail that. I'm out of flour. Damn it.
There we go.
Cool. Okay, so it does work. All right, so the first test, these road flares didn't work. I might be doing it wrong. You sciencey guys, let me know. We're gonna put the sugar in a plastic can and we'll leave the cap off of it so it can hopefully get a bigger cloud. So here we go.
All right, let's give this powdered sugar a go. Hopefully we get more of a fireball. These slugs hurt a lot more than the 50 cal does. Nothing. Damn. Not enough.
Huh. Well, at least it smells like marshmallows out here. So the powdered sugar, he hit that thing hard enough, and you could see on the high speed, well, I thought that that was going to be plenty of plume. Try this again. It does, you can hear it, but I don't. Well, I'm out. I love that smell. Here's all the sugar. Yeah. Oh well. I think Mythbusters did something like this. They're running the same problem. I don't know if this is enough flame or what, but anyways, we're gonna set up the coffee and hopefully that will go. So here's our last shot.
All right, now we're giving the instant coffee a try. I think next time we should try a coffee creamer, maybe a little bit of tannerite or something. Let us know in the comments.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. Hey, there's a little bit of a fireball. Your damn strap hit me in the damn lip.
See, it does burn. The plastic burns. Dang it. I was really hoping this would work. It blew this flare through the cloud and I really thought it would help it light, but it did not.
Boom.
Right.
Start calling you nubbins after that.
Anyways, the high speed was good. You gotta admit, the high speed was good. So comment below. Nice try, guys, but the high speed was high speed. This is what we have for you guys today. I really thought this was gonna work. That slug just blew through both of these.
At least we tried.
Yeah, we got to get an A for effort, right, guys? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Don't forget your t-shirts. Thank you to our patrons. We appreciate all of you just for watching these videos. Happy holidays. We'll be back.